This is my keto day. I will make some random things in a bowl, which hopefully low carb. I have this bag of very old radishes. Alright. So, still ugly. Alright. Right, one is in. This is my keto day of cyclical keto diet. Monday through Thursday I will eat low carb, high fat. Then I take a break from food and have water fast on Friday. And on Saturday I'm gonna eat low fat carbs just to restore my ability to digest carbs, have carb eating bacteria in my digestive system. And Sunday I do another water fast to deplete my glycogens from my muscles and prepare myself to ketosis. I quickly boiled these eggs and wash them in cold water. They're not peeling too well because I didn't let them sit in water naturally and chill. If you want easy peel eggs, you just leave them in your hot water until it's cold, until it chills. And also crack them a little bit with the fork. Let them soak the water in. No shells. Great. Alright. I have this sweet cucumber. Going into the salad. Cream cheese. let's crumble it. Now I want to finish this salmon. It's been salt cured, basically sprinkled generously with salt. And kept in refrigerator for 3 days, I guess, right now. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some mayonnaise. Strange thing, yesterday I already have had ketone positive test on keto strips, although I was just eating keto for 1 day. Alright, this is my spring salad, so to say, with whatever I have. I was planning on adding bits of melted pasteurized cheese and liver sausage, but I think it's enough food already. Or maybe I will still toss some of this cheese. Doesn't matter. Okay. Here's my tea with stevia sweetener. Not gonna avoid sweeteners. And here is the bag of bags. You tie them in a knot, and you drink tea. You know that little bits, especially herbal teas, they sift through that cage. You see, little bits, and then you keep your tea in thermos cup, and it gets bitter, bitter, bitter. So I found this highly rated bags on Amazon. So you just basically fill them up and tie them. Pull the nose. A little bit more labor intensive than the cage, but it doesn't sift any dust or shit into your tea. Basically this is it. See how much little bits came from this. Alright, so this is my Tuesday low carb.